Should I fix my broken items before or during a claim in a move? Under all circumstances, do not try to fix or dispose of anything after you identify damages in a move. Attempting to repair or dispose of an item before or during a claim will void your contract and prevent you from receiving reimbursement, repair, or a replacement item. So think of it this way. You wouldn't take your car to the mechanic immediately after a car accident if you wanted your car insurance company to assist with the repair costs. You'd need to wait for approval from the company before taking the next step. Well, moving coverage works much in that same way. So, before you set to gluing together your favorite 1970s antique lamp, ask yourself this question.